Cool looking shot right here with that sun angle over those clouds as we look west in Perry. Starting to see more of this out there after what has been a quiet day. So we'll see how stormy it gets. 90 that feels like 97 in Perry. Again, could have some storms as we go through the evening hours tonight, and we are seeing that already. Now, when I say could have, obviously we're seeing them right now. I'm talking about for everybody. You could, but it may not be likely for all areas. All right, so let's do a little radar tour and zoom in on this stuff because we've seen it blow up in a few different places. First of all, this was in Taylor County. It was pretty strong for a little bit and then kind of fizzled apart, and then is sort of trying to get back together in little pieces here on the western part of Macon County. Let's go on up. All right, so this is the biggest one in town right here. This is on the Monroe-Crawford County line here, a little bit of West Bibb, but this one's also blowing up too. 75, 475 split around Bolingbroke. So all of this is kind of coming down. It looks like if you're in Crawford County, West Bibb, Lake Tobosoffke, North Macon, and a little bit with this one that's coming down. This is all riding toward the south-southeast, so I think that a lot of people get involved with this, some more of the populated area. Getting on up, this storm right here was a beast earlier. It had golf ball size hail with it around Loganville, and then has been kind of rolling toward the south and somewhat splintering apart. But you'll see that happen where it'll splinter and kind of fall apart, and then an offshoot somewhere else will form. So I think as we go through tonight, the potential will be there. Here's a look at, just again, this is not exact placement, but you get the idea, is the high-res model showing activity even as we go on through the evening hours tonight and possibly even past midnight. We'll see if it's still going. All right, so let's go forward from that, roll over into tomorrow's model and see how it goes tomorrow afternoon. Now, we may see a shower or thunderstorm. This time it would be cranking up south and moving south as we go through the afternoon. So the farther south you are, southern half of our area tomorrow afternoon. The rest of our area looks to be dry, and that's a pretty cool word. That's kind of a weird statement. Not cool. It's going to be hot, but the humidity coming down will at least make this heat index problem go away for a little bit. So Wednesday, for the most part, is looking dry. Same thing as we get into Thursday. So the big story once we get this rain out of here tonight and for the rest of the week is dry, lower humidity, but still hot, but at least a heat index of 4,000 is not going to be possible. So there it is, Thursday dry, but watch this. Watch bottom left corner of your screen right here. This is still subject to change, but the models are kind of in lockstep. Friday's looking mainly quiet. We get into Saturday. This could be a tropical system here coming in out of the Gulf. Could be a rainmaker out west. This is Saturday for us. May not see a whole lot at that point, but by the time we get into Sunday, here's the GFS. Euro still has it back here Sunday, so maybe sometime Sunday, or even if this model's right, Monday, with some heavy rain coming through with that. But we have time to figure that out. Just keeping an eye on the Gulf of Mexico. Nothing has even developed yet, so we'll just have to see if this is going to go the way the models are thinking. All right, so the storms we have out there now, and then tomorrow a little bit south, and then it's going to go mainly dry for a quarter of the week.